Now see, general method. General method for the preparation of aldehyde and ketone is over. Means you have to prepare aldehyde and ketone by simply uh, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol in presence of copper at 573 Kelvin to form aldehyde and ketone, that is undergoes oxidation. Same with sodium borohydride NaBH4, it also gives aldehyde and ketone. Now ozonolysis from alkene means unsaturated. Either you take alkene, ethene, propene, whatever it is, depends on that. It react with ozone. So ozone always get substituted, get react with a double bond, right? Multiple bond. So that what happen? There is a formation of ozonide as shown in previous reaction. So ozonide is on hydrolysis in presence of zinc to form carbonyl compound, maybe aldehyde or maybe ketone. Now here in case of aldehyde, how will you prepare aldehyde? Aldehyde is prepared by first method, that is Rosenmund reaction. What is Rosenmund reaction? Rosenmund reaction is that in which used catalyst is palladium in barium sulfate BaSO4 is used. Here what happened in Rosenmund? In Rosenmund, acyl halide, that is acyl halide means what? R C double bond O X. This is acyl halide. This acyl halide is changes to R C double bond O H in presence of palladium in barium sulfate BaSO4. So we'll give the product as a aldehyde in presence of acyl halide, that is Rosenmund reaction. Now here again there is a new, that is Stephen reaction. What is Stephen reaction? In case of Stephen reaction, here nitrile group RC triple bond N, this nitrile is treated with diol H, diisobutyl aluminium hydride. This diol H will give the product as a imine RC double bond NH, that is imine. This imine is on hydrolysis. On hydrolysis, what happened? There is a bond cleavage. Bond cleavage takes place through here HHO. So there is a formation of aldehyde, that is RCHO. This is a Stephen reaction. In Stephen reaction, nitrile, that is alkyl cyanide, react with diol H, undergoes reduction to form imine, which on hydrolysis to form aldehyde, that is RCHO, right? That is the aldehyde formation. Now next one is Itard reaction. What is Itard reaction? Here Itard reaction in which substituted benzene, that is toluene. This substituted benzene is treated with CrO2Cl2, that is chromyl chloride. CrO2Cl2, chromyl chloride, react to form what happened? There is a formation of aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde. Here the reaction takes place in this way. This is a benzene. Here bonding takes place with carbon as 1H as it is to form OO, and there is Cr, that is chromyl complex formation takes place. This chromyl complex is on hydrolysis. is on hydrolysis. What happened in hydrolysis? See, bond cleavage of O, bond cleavage of O. Here H, H, and this side only O. So there is a formation of, see, benzaldehyde. CHO is to be formed, right? That is the benzaldehyde from toluene. So toluene is changes to benzaldehyde by the reaction with chromyl chloride followed by hydrolysis. Then Gattermann's Koch reaction. Gattermann's Koch reaction. What is Gattermann's Koch reaction? In Gattermann's Koch reaction, benzene react with carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid to form benzaldehyde, undergoes rearrangement CHO, right? This is said to be Koch reagent. Koch reagent, that is carbon monoxide and HCl gas is said to be Koch reagent. This is on rearrangement to form benzaldehyde. That is Gattermann's Koch reaction, a reaction in which simple benzene is converted into benzaldehyde. Now see beta, here this is the preparation of aldehyde only. Whatever we are discussing, that is by the name reaction. One is Rosenmund, right? In Rosenmund, what happened? RCOX. Then Stephen RCN. Then Itard. In case of Itard, toluene, benzene CS3. Then Gattermann's Koch reagent, Koch, Gattermann's, right? In Gattermann's Koch, what happened? Benzene. Now you have to remember this starting material. Then in this Rosenmund, which catalyst is to be used? Rosenmund, palladium in barium sulfate. Stephen, diol H. Itard, CrO2 Cl2. Gattermann's Koch, carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid is to be used, so that we will get aldehyde only. That is the preparation of aldehyde by the method Rosenmund, Stephen, Itard and Gattermann's Koch reaction.